Myself, my mom, and my sister.
Ha! They want to throw me off balance.
My name is Tricky T. Oh. You know me already. If you don't know me, I'm Tricky T, Child of Grace. I'm here. That's what's up. I feel great. It's something big for Nollywood that we have our own in a Hollywood movie, playing a major role. So yes. I feel great. I feel blessed to be alive now to see this happening. Exactly, that's the right word. That trailer is sick. Like the fight between Jimmy Odukoya and Viola Davis. Hey, I want to see that scene. I can't wait to see that scene. Like it's top notch. Like, that's what I want to see first. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Chime Wakama. I'm an actress and I'm here at the premiere of The Woman King in Lagos. And one of our own is in it. Well, I call him PJ, but most people know him as Jimmy Odukoya, so I'm used to calling him PJ. Amazing guy. He's been working years, for this. So this is his moment, and I'm just here. Like I told him that whether he's in Nigeria or not, I'll show up to the premiere. So I'm here for Jimmy. And the amazing thing, he's not a waka pass in a Hollywood film. Jimmy is actually the villain. So it's a huge role. It's big for Nollywood. It's big for PJ. I'm just excited. I feel I just hope that we go out with the same energy that we use for Black Panther. The same energy we put into Black Panther, going out and watching it. I just hope that we also, use that same energy to push this one,
Hi, my name is Chef Gibbs. I'm a private chef and an actor. I feel excited. I feel proud. A lot of movies have existed in time, but I'm a conscious human being in my 30s, and I'm alive to see this happening. To see Nigerians taking the forefront in Hollywood. I'm excited. I'm proud. I'm proud to be an actor. I'm proud to be Nigerian. Well, my expectation for tonight is to see the movie. I want to see the movie. Like, it's so amazing. Like, I've been itching. I've been super excited. I've been waiting. And I'm excited that we're here today.
African female warriors that I know. Myself, my mom, and my sister.
Queen Amina, Queen Moremi, and Queen Ebby. You were expecting? What were you expecting? For me not to call myself?
Oh my God. Okay. I think I know a few. Queen Amina, Oya, of course, Moremi.
Wow, 3 female African warriors. Oh my gosh. I should know this and I feel stupid. Was Cleopatra even a warrior? Well, let's say Cleopatra. We have Nefertiti and we have, oh my God. I can't think of one more, but yeah.
Ha! They want to throw me off balance.
My name is Onyinye Odukoya and I am an actor and I'm on the red carpet of the Woman King Nigerian premiere. It feels good to see lots and lots of people that look like me telling an African story on the international stage. Hollywood, come on. Yes, please. More to come. I'm excited. It's really a good time. Because, come on, how many times do you see an African story on the big screen? If they're not trying to tell, that is a real story, not something that has to do with slavery or something that has to do with, someone dying or black people just being punished, but a full story centered around black people. I think, yes, I think it should be massive. I think it's going to be massive. I hope it is. So when it comes out, come and see it. Come and see it. Let's support our own. Yes, I think so.
Otiba and
Dr. Bishala Otiba.
I think I'll let you go first.
Okay. I'm actually elated. I'm happy to be here. And yeah, I want to be mind blown. So
I feel like we're being represented, and that means a lot to me. Seeing PJ on the big screen in Hollywood, that's a win. That's a big win.
Yeah, I want all the energy from the movie. I want to be mind blown. Yeah, that's it for me.
Yeah.
My name is Anto Lucky and I'm a media personality and entrepreneur. I'm staff at Any Styling. We decided to represent the Maasai warrior of Tanzania and Kenya. I knew that most people will kind of do like a certain kind of look, so I wanted to go all out. I wanted to represent an actual living warrior. So we went all the way, we did the bald cap, we put the red ochre on, we have the Maasai fabric from head to toe, giving us warrior, because we are here for the Woman King. I think it's great. Is the fact that, we're even premiering it in Nigeria means it's absolutely global. And I love the fact, of course, that it's a Woman King. I'm a feminist without being a feminist. So The fact that there's a woman king, we're here for it, 100%.
Hi, this is Chime Wakama. You're watching Niger Limelight. Keep watching and subscribe.
It's your man Tricky T, aka Mr. Tranquility, the child of grace. You're watching Niger Limelight. Subscribe. King Tricky say so. Thank you.
Yeah, hello guys. My name is Rotimi Salami. Kindly watch, like, subscribe to Niger Limelight.
Hey guys, this is Anto Lucky, and you are watching Niger Limelight. Please subscribe.
Hey guys, my name is Ebon Lowadosum. You're watching Niger Limelight. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends.
Hi guys, I'm giving a big shout out to Niger Limelight. Make sure you subscribe, like, and follow the account. Thank you.
I mean, I haven't been out in a while, you know, because of a lot of things. But I knew that, you see, what is happening tonight is you know, is a new beginning. All right, and I say that because we all know that, you know, we have one of our own, you know, part of this great movie, you know, and it's not a waka pass role. All right, it's not even a one-liner, okay, which would have been awesome, by the way. You know, it's a major role, you see, and I mean, these are things that we have been praying for a while, you know, and to see that happen now, I mean, it's just amazing, you know, and it's also great to be a part of it. So yeah, the truth is, it's not the first time it's happening, okay? It's happened way from the times of Uncle Olu Jacob, you know, but for this generation, and with the way the world has become a global village, you know, we're going to see more like this. You know, I mean, Hollywood is now coming to Nollywood, you know, which didn't used to be that way. It used to be Nollywood actors running all over there. But now there's a lot of requests, you know, there's a lot of interest for our content, you know, for what we want. Because the Nigerian brand is global now, if you know what I mean. So yeah, so.
Hi, my name is Ebon Lowadosum. I'm a TV host, the brand strategist, and the face of Eva Wine Nigeria. I'm styled by Crystal Wes and, you know, Lano. And it took quite a lot to put this together, but I mean, I'm so excited to be here. My expectations. I expect to be blown. I mean, I have seen the trailer of this movie and I cannot wait to see the actual thing on the big screen. I'm looking forward to seeing what Viola Davis, the woman, I mean the hero in this movie, you know, what she's going to bring to the table. I'm looking forward to seeing that PJ. I mean, Nigeria to the world. I mean, for every single actor, every single person in the Nollywood space, we're looking to break out, right? We're looking to go into the global stage. And this is like a stepping stone. This is not a stepping stone. This is like a deal breaker. And I am super excited. See, I watched the trailer and I watched a particular part that was extracted. And I was like, what? The fact that the accent was rich. Actual Nigerian accents. Yeah, the names. Like, it is just so brilliant to see things like that. African culture, Nigerian culture displayed to the world. I cannot wait to see this movie, trust me.
Yeah, my name is Rotimi Salami. I'm an actor, model, and a filmmaker. I feel excited being here tonight, you know. I've seen trailers, I've seen some snippets, you know. I've seen a couple of trailers, and I love. I'm looking forward to see my guy now, Jimmy Odukoya, of course. Yeah, I mean, trust me. I wouldn't want to say I've not seen him in this form before, but then in this kind of movie, this is a good one for Nollywood. And I want to believe that Nollywood filmmakers are actually going to use this as a benchmark. Music industry has gone haywire. Let our movie industry too do the same. Yes, shout out to all the investors, you know, making this happen already. Loads of beautiful movies are going to be coming from Nollywood pretty soon. Watch out for loads of them.
There's the one from Nigeria, the Hausa one.
Oh my God.
Amina.
Yeah.
There's the one from Benin Republic.
He's better with history, so I just let him answer. Wait, remember? Do you remember?
I know there's one. I can't remember her name right.
Oya. Apart from Oya, Oshun. Which other one? Going out, yeah. Okay, no, I think the ones I even mentioned are even gods. They're more like gods. They're not even warriors, actually. But then, I shall remember.
I know female warriors. Can you imagine? Okay, I know Idia. I know Amina, Queen Amina. Yes, and then lastly, Moremi. Yes, so Moremi, Idia, and Amina.
I don't know Kutakinte. Is that even? I just know Kutakinte. That's it. I don't know anybody else.
Hey, my God. I'll say Amina. I'll say Queen Nefertiti. And I'll say, who will I say? I'll say Moremi. I'll say Queen Moremi.
Amina of the northern Nigeria. Queen Amina of Zaria. One queen like that in Egypt. Ha! The Dahomey warriors that we've come to watch. They're not one, they are 10, so that covers. They're more than one.
Hi, my name is Sandra Kunzua. I'm an actor. I feel great. Like from the trailer, everything has been giving me goosebumps, so I'm so excited to be here. I can't wait to see the movie here. I'm looking forward to seeing Jimmy Odukoya and Viola Davis, as well as other actors as well. First of all, I'm interested with the fact that our stories is being told internationally. Like this is an African story and it's been told in a Hollywood form. So a lot of people are going to receive it, they will love it, and we're expecting something really good.
Hello everyone, my name is Ima Bangajay. I'm a lifestyle influencer and a content creator. I feel very, let me do this joke. I feel very happy, I feel very excited. Oh my God, I'm really happy honestly to be here tonight because this is like it's been long in the making, let me say it like that, and it's something that's really major for Nollywood, for Africa, you know, and for Nigeria especially because, you know, we're crossing into Hollywood, and it's something that we never saw or thought could happen, but it's happening in my time, and I'm so excited. I've seen the trailer. I think the part I loved the most was when TJ was fighting with Viola Davis, and I was just like, oh my God, I was screaming at the top of my voice like, is this really happening? You know, yeah, I can't wait to see that on the big screen.
Good evening, my name is Lieber Love. I am so excited. I'm so excited. We've got horses, we've got slaves, we've got swords, we've got beautiful queens, we've got kings. Just the night is going to be epic. I'm looking forward to watching the movie. I'm looking forward to the battle scenes. I'm all about the fight. It took me 3 to 4 days to make this outfit. I took some old pieces, sewed them together, took a bra, took the lining out, sewed cowrie shells, got a sword. I tried. Yes, I'm so excited. For me, it's the fight scenes. It's always about the battle. Because it's something about us that I love. I think it's gonna be bananas because it's us. It's about us. It's for us. It's to us. And you know, for generation after generation after generation, there have been movies that haven't shown us. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the film industry and the direction that it's going now.
Watching Niger Limelight,
and please subscribe.
Hi, my name is Chef Gibbs and you're watching Niger Limelight. Please subscribe.
Okay, so I want y'all all to go to YouTube and subscribe to Niger Limelight. What did I say? Niger Limelight. Subscribe and you won't regret it.
My name is Bukumi Ajboye. I am an actor. Please subscribe to Niger Limelight. Don't touch that dial. Thank you. Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Onine Odukoya. I am an actor and you are watching Niger Limelight. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.
Lieber Love Live and Direct. You're watching Niger Limelight. Please like and subscribe.
Hi, my name is Sandra Kunzua and you're watching Niger Limelight. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ima Bang. I'm a lifestyle influencer. You're watching Niger Limelight. Please subscribe and keep watching.
Shout out to Niger Limelight. Do not forget to subscribe. All right?
Bye.
Hi guys, so you're watching Niger Limelight. Please do subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Sean Fakwa, aka the King's Son. You're watching Niger Limelight. Don't touch it. Peace.